Don't do this if you want financial freedom. If you're still saving whatever's left after spending or copying advice from social media without context, stop. Today, I'm showing you the biggest financial literacy trends right now and the costly mistakes most people make by ignoring them. Number 1. Gen Z financial foundations. Think budgeting, goal setting, and saving. Schools aren't teaching this fast enough, so content creators are stepping up. Number 2. Sinking funds. Instead of saving randomly, break your expenses into categories and automate them monthly. Number 3. Tax-smart hustling. Gig workers are losing money on taxes. Teach them to track expenses and structure their income. Number 4. 401k hacks. Too many people are missing employer match opportunities. That's free money. Number 5. Fintech tools. People need simple videos showing how to actually use these apps. Number 6. Compound interest. Show how saving $10 a day adds up to 6 figures. Visuals sell this concept big. Let's break down sinking funds deeper. This simple strategy keeps you out of debt by helping you plan for irregular expenses. Think of it like financial buckets. You add a little to each every month. That way, when life happens, you're already covered. No panic, no credit card, just peace of mind. So now you know the top financial literacy trends. Which one will you focus on first? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you're ready to build real wealth, not just hustle, subscribe to Wealthwise Media. We turn financial knowledge into freedom.